time to explore some functions of the OS module in Python. Let's import it first. abcde.txt from the Documents folder is accessible. Let's get to Documents now. Open this file and write hide to it. This is the file now. It already has some contents. Truncating it to size 10 does nothing because it's already smaller than that. It is not connected to a TTY-like device. Let's get to position 0 in this file. Now read 12 characters from it and close it. getCWD gives us the current working directory where we are right now. These are the contents of the current working directory. Let's create a pipe. A is this command, make a directory and call it nwdir. Let's call popen on this and it's been created. Let's rename this to new dir. Done. Now remove this directory. And for each root directory and file in the Documents folder, print the root and the number of directories and files in each.